Want to know how to promote your music in 2022? Hang around and I'll show you exactly what to do. What's up, everyone? My name is Svedin and welcome to my channel. On this channel, we discuss all things Google and YouTube advertising and how you can use these two amazing platforms to grow and scale your business and brand using proven, real, and up-to-date marketing strategies. Now, if you'd like to see more videos just like this one, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button so you never miss out on any of my up-and-coming training videos that I will be putting out regularly throughout this year. So obviously, if you're watching this video, you're looking to promote your music, and maybe you're not too sure how to do that. One of the best ways of getting your brand out there, getting your music out there, is through YouTube. On YouTube, there are a couple ways of doing it. You can do it through organic YouTube reach or organic YouTube SEO, or you can do it through paid YouTube ads. Right now, each has their ups and their downs, their pros and their cons. Now with YouTube SEO, obviously it's free. Okay, you can create a Google account for free, a YouTube account for free, and you can start uploading your music videos and slowly grow your channel. Now, the big downside is that if you don't do it properly, if you don't set it up properly, right? If you don't have your videos set up properly, it can take a long time to grow your channel. In fact, you may never even be discovered, but it's free. So that is one option that you can do. Now, the other option, and this would be the option that I will be showing you more, talking more about, is through paid YouTube advertising. Now, many people, when they think about paid YouTube advertising, they think it's expensive. In fact, it's not very expensive at all. Okay, and if you do it correctly, you can literally have people view your video for less than a cent, literally less than 1 cent. And I'll show you the perfect example, perfect case study here in just a minute. With paid advertising, okay, the upside is that you can get views to your videos really quick. You can grow your channel pretty quick. If you do it correctly, you can get monetized relatively quick as well. Those are kind of the big pros for paid YouTube advertising. The downside is, well, obviously you have to pay money, okay? But you don't have to pay as much money as you think. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump in and I'm gonna show you one of our clients' campaigns and how well they are doing. All right, so here we are, we're inside one of our clients' accounts, and he is a hip hop rap artist in Florida. And he came to us and he wanted us to help build his channel, to help build his brand recognition. He had already had a little bit of a following, but he wanted to grow that because he wants to start selling, merchandise. And that's kind of what you want to be doing is, as you're growing your YouTube channel, as you're growing your following, you want to be selling, not just music, but you want to be selling, shirts and hats and wristbands and, and hoodies and sweaters and all sorts. That's where you're gonna make a lot of your revenue, particularly as a YouTuber. So he came to us and he's like, look, guys, I want to grow my business, I want to grow my brand, get some recognition. So he says, yep, no worries. YouTube, paid advertising, straight up. So he came on towards the end of September, and since then he's spent $1,300 on this particular video. He spent $1,300. If you look here, okay, we started running skippable in-stream ads. Okay, so that's the type of ads you want to start running, are the skippable in-stream ads. All right, so those are the type of ads where they show up before a video, or they show up, in between, like they may pop up in the middle of a video or whatever. People can skip it. Now, I will do a rundown on how to do skippable in-stream ads and the pros and cons about them, and you can go visit that video in the link up above. So we ran skippable in-stream ads. He spent $1,300 and he got 180,000 views. Now, a view on YouTube, a view is considered someone who's watched at least 30 seconds of your video. So they watched the whole thing or they've watched at least 30 seconds of the video. So he's had 188,000 people watch at least 30 seconds of his video. If you look at that, okay, if you were to take 1,364 divided by 188,000, that's roughly 0.7 cents. That's less than a penny per view. So it's really cheap. Now, getting these views, that's really cool. That's, shows up on your video and whatnot. But these views and the amount of watch time that comes from these views will not go towards your monetization. How do you get monetized through it? Now, what you need to do is you need to focus on earned views. These are people that come to watch your channel through your ad. They've watched the ad, they've clicked on the ad, they've gone and then watched your video, and then they've gone and to watch other videos on your channel. These earned views here, so this number right here, that's just a vanity number. Earned likes, again, a vanity number. The numbers you want to focus on are like earned subscribers and earned views. Okay, these are numbers that can make the biggest difference to building your brand, to building your channel, to increasing your revenue for your business, your music business. This is what will get you monetized quickly. All right, now there's ways of setting videos up, which I won't go over in this video, to increase your earned views. That's something that we do specifically for our clients. If you're interested in having a chat with us to discuss how we can help you build out your brand, build out your YouTube channel, in the description below, I'll put a link to where you can set up a strategy call with us. We have like a 2-week free trial session you can have with us, and we can help get you going and get you rolling. And obviously these subscribers here, right? The subscribers here, these are people who have subscribed. So your new videos come out, when you put new videos out, you can then later advertise. The cool thing is you can later advertise and remarket to these people. Anyone that's viewed your videos, anyone that's subscribed to your videos, you can remarket to them later on. Right? So if you have new videos come out, you can spend a little bit of money, and it's very, very cheap to remarket. You can remarket and send them to your new videos. You can even remarket to them on the Google Display Network with banner ads and say, hey, here's 20% off my merch, or whatever it may be. So there are a number of amazing possibilities that you have when you're doing YouTube advertising. But I just want to stress that he's only spent $1,364. He's earned over 1,000 subscribers. He's got monetized now. He's been monetized, which is fantastic. So he's been monetized through this, and he's building this audience now that he can continually market to and show new videos to, show new content to, show his merchandise to. So if you're looking to build your brand, if you're looking to grow your music YouTube channel, YouTube ads is one of the most effective ways of doing that. I hope this video has kind of opened your mind to some of the possibilities that YouTube advertising can bring to your business, to your music business, to your brand, to your name. Again, look, if you're interested in trialing our 2-week program, in the description below, there'll be a link where you can go through the application process. Again, it's not for everyone, and we're pretty stringent with who we take on. But these are the possibilities that you can have with your brand. Anyway, guys, look, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps build the channel out. And we will see you in the next video.